wish someone taught me earlier what I'm about to teach you now, because if I knew what I know now, my businesses wouldn't have failed. A lot of businesses struggle because of just one thing: poor or no sales. Listen, you can make the best cakes, but if no one knows about you, your business would struggle, and that is a fact. This is why digital marketing matters and why you need to learn about digital marketing. Think about it. Before now, when you want to make adverts for your business, you print posters, print flyers, go to the TV or television to run ads, all those traditional marketing stuff. But right now, the world has changed. Everybody is on their phone every day, every hour of the day. So marketing has moved to the internet. So in simple terms, digital marketing is simply telling people what you do, but on the internet. Digital marketing is the use of websites, apps, mobile devices, social media platforms to market your business, to tell the world what you are doing. Now, has digital marketing replaced offline marketing? Absolutely not. People still do offline marketing, but digital marketing extends your reach. The number of people you can meet while you market outside can never compare to the number of people you are able to meet with digital marketing. So instead of printing those flyers, you make an Instagram post. Instead of going to the TV or the television to run ads, you simply do a Facebook or Instagram app. Instead of television adverts, we can use YouTube to make your videos and then put it out there. So you see, digital marketing is making marketing a lot more easier than traditional marketing. Traditional marketing, you pay a lot to put your adverts on televisions, on newspapers, or on radio shows. But with digital marketing, with as low as 2K, you can run a Facebook ad, alright? So it's simply the use of the internet to tell people who you are, what you do or sell, and why they should care. Now the question is, why does digital marketing matter? Or why should digital marketing matter? Number one, digital marketing matters because you can use it to sell. You can use it to sell your products as a business owner. You can use it to tell people about your products, tell them the benefits of your products. You can use it to connect with your target audience, expand your reach, and just, increase your sales. And if you're building a personal brand or a content marketer, it helps people to know you, to like you, and to trust you. And once people know, like, and trust you, they engage more on your posts, and you are able to, sell anything to them. And it is also important if you are looking for a remote work or if you're looking to gain employment. A lot of companies are looking for digital marketers who can help them put their products in the faces of their audience. All right, so yes, if you're also looking for a job, you can learn digital marketing and then apply for the role of a digital marketer for a firm or for a business. All right, now, how do you start? How do you begin digital marketing as a business owner or as someone who is building a personal brand? Now, the first place to start is to subscribe on this channel right now. Yes, subscribe right now, because in the next few weeks, I'm going to be making content on digital marketing, the things you should know and the things you should avoid to succeed as a digital marketer or to help you grow your business visibility and improve sales. All right, so yes, click on that subscribe button now. And then the second thing you should know is that you cannot be on every platform. If you are trying to build a business or you are trying to build a personal brand, you cannot be on every platform. Know the platform where your target audience are and go there. Focus on that platform for now. Learn about the platform, the rules of engagement, and everything you need to know. If you decide to be on all the platforms at once, you are going to just burn yourself out, and at the end of the day, you will get absolutely no results. Take it for someone who has tried it before. When I started, I was on YouTube, I was on TikTok, I was on Instagram, I was on Facebook. But guess what? I made absolutely no progress in any of these platforms. But the moment I decided, okay, let me pay attention to YouTube for some time, in 3 months, my subscribers grew from 29 subscribers to over 400 subscribers. All right, so when you pay attention to a particular platform, you channel your energy your attention, and you are able to do better on that platform. The beautiful thing is that you are not limited in that platform. Once you start to grow, once you begin to gain visibility, you can then direct your audience to your other social media pages. All right, so pick a platform, know your target audience, know the platform where they are most, stay on that platform and grow from there. Then thirdly, post consistently, post simple relatable content, share your story, talk about your product. Why should people buy? Why should people care about your product? Talk about it, tell them the benefits of buying from you, give them tips, educate them about your product or your service. What you are doing is that you are building their trust. All right, so in time they will get to know you, like you, and trust you. And once they trust you, they can buy absolutely anything you sell to them. All right, so subscribe to this channel, start with a platform, and then show up consistently with contents that are simple and relatable that will help them. Remember, having a good product is not enough. You need visibility to sustain your business. Without visibility, your business will suffer. This is something I didn't know before, and because of that, my business is suffered. But I don't want your business to suffer, so I'm telling you. I also need to tell somebody about this secret by liking and sharing this video with another business owner. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Join this amazing family where we grow, we glow, and we flourish together. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.